Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over the Wood Veneer Hub panels review. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are on the fence of whether or not to purchase from Wood Veneer Hub. Let me go ahead and tell you that I've had my wooden panels for well over a year and a half now. And so this is what my setup looks like. Over here, I have painted my wall green. This is technically my office. This entire side here are my wooden slats. And then on the right wall here is I painted my wall black. Now with this setup, okay, I've had my panels for well over a year and a half now, and the way that I installed it is that I just used very simple 1-inch black drywall screw anchors. So you'll see them right over here, but far away, you don't really notice them at all. And then the way I actually set up my wooden panels is that the left side, I made sure that it was flush against the wall, and then the right side, I had to paint like this little slat here black just so that it would blend in with this wall over here as well. But I also used a circular saw. I used the jigsaw to actually install it. But with these panels though, I'd say my acoustics are very much well done when it comes to me recording videos or me being on Zoom calls or meetings. It really does help with the sound reverberation when it comes to having online calls and such. So if you're on the fence of whether or not to get these wooden slat panels, they have a variety of different colors. They all look really good. I mean, I think there's like a gray color, which I personally don't like, but with these ones here, the color that I got, let me actually show you, is just the luxury American walnut acoustic slat wooden wall panel, okay? So just to repeat, let me show you on the desktop right here. It's the luxury American walnut acoustic slat wooden wall panel. And to give you more context, my room is 12, or this wall over here is 12 feet by 8 feet. So I did have to use a circular saw and a jigsaw to actually make some adjustments. It was my first time using those tools, but overall it's pretty simple to use. And I also use the box cutter to actually sometimes cut the felt of what you see right over here. So right over here is the felt. But this is the way I installed it though. I mean, on each panel, I'd say there's about like 9 drywall screw anchors. So these screws right over here, and they've been holding up even a year and a half later. I mean, that's the way that I installed it. There's multiple ways that you can install it as well. But if you're on the fence of whether or not to get these, I'd say give it a shot. I initially started with just one wall panel to see how it would look, and I eventually bought 5 more. So this is a total of 6 panels right over here, that what you see. So a total of 6 panels, and overall, a year and a half later, I'm still really happy with it. But if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.